Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we going for our 10th class of Camtasia Complete Learning course. In this class we are going to learn about captions. This tab is commonly used for adding captions in the video. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. So this is the caption menu. To create captions, import, or drag and drop a caption file, or, click the Add Caption button below. When you click the Add Caption button, you'll see this. You will type your captions here. Increase and decrease the duration of the caption on screen from here. You can change the font settings from here. And these are the further settings of captions. To add more caption, just click the plus button. I am going to add some captions. Let's check how it appears. You can also change the duration from here. So in this way we can put caption on the video using Camtasia very easily and professionally. I hope you liked the video. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.